Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's class, let's discuss some of the board exam questions on equation of a line. Look at the first question. The line through P53 intersects Y at Q. Write the slope of the line, equation of the line and find the coordinates of Q. There are three sub-questions in the given question. We have to find it. The first one is write the slope of the line. Here it is given that the line is passing through the point P here and it intersects Y axis at Q and we need to find the slope first. And if you look at this diagram, you can see that the angle given here is 45 degree. So, and that is in the anti-clockwise direction it is given. So, we can find the slope by using the formula m is equal to tan theta and the theta is 45 degree here. So, that is tan 45 degree and its value is 1. Therefore, the slope of the line is 1. And the next part of the question is to find the equation of the line. To find the equation of the line, we have the slope as well as the point here. The point is 5, 3. So, by using the second type 2, we can find the equation of the line. So, as per the type 2 equation, the formula is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. We have the point x1, y1 here and the value of the slope. This is x1, y1. Now substitute these values in the equation. We get this as y minus y1 is 3 is equal to the slope is 1 into x minus 5. So this is y minus 3 is equal to x minus 5 or y is equal to x minus 5 plus 3 on bringing 3 to the other side. That's equal to y is equal to x minus 2. Therefore, the equation of the line is y is equal to x minus 2. Now, the last part of the question is to find the coordinates of Q. And we know that the point Q is lying on the y-axis. Therefore, the coordinates of the Q is, since it's on the y-axis, the coordinates are 0, y. Now, the line y is equal to x minus 2 is passing through this point Q. We can say that the point Q satisfies this equation. Now, substitute the values in this equation. We will get the value of y here. So, y is equal to, the value of x is 0, 0 minus 2 and that's equal to minus 2. Therefore, the coordinates of Q is 0, minus 2. These are the three parts of the question. The first one, write the slope of the line. The slope of the line is tan theta, that is equal to tan 45, it is 1. That's the first part. And the second part is the equation of the line, that is y is equal to x minus 2. And the third part is the coordinates of Q. Q is equal to 0, minus 2. Look at the next question. The line through A and B is perpendicular to the line 2x minus 4y is equal to 5. Find the value of B. Here, we need to find the missing term, that is the y coordinate of B. And the condition is given that, the data is given that these two lines are perpendicular. And we have already seen our result, whenever two lines are perpendicular, then the product of their slope is equal to minus 1. The product of their slope is minus 1. So, in this case, we need to find the slope of the line AB as well as the slope of this line. And the product of their slopes is equal to minus 1. We have to substitute and then simplify. We get the value of B. Let's start doing it. So, in the first part, let's find the slope of AB. Slope of AB or the line which is passing through the points A and B is equal to m1. Consider it as m1. And as per the formula, it is y2 minus y1, that is b minus 3 by x2 minus x1. 4 minus minus 2. And that's equal to b minus 3 by 4 plus 2. And it is same as m1 is equal to b minus 3 by 6. That's the first part, first equation we are getting. Now, when we consider the second equation, 2x minus 4y is equal to 5. So, we have the equation of the line here. The first, we need to convert this into the standard form. This implies 4y is equal to 2x minus 5. bringing 4y to the other side and 5 to the opposite side. So 4y is 2x minus 5. This implies y is equal to 2x minus 5 by 4. So this is same as 2 by 4 x minus 5 by 4. That is y is equal to 2 by 4 x minus 5 by 4. That is same as 1 by 2 x minus 5 by 4. That's the value of y. So when you are comparing this with the standard form, you get the slope as 1 by 2 here. This implies m2 is equal to 1 by 2. Now by the given condition, the condition is that the lines are perpendicular, so we can use this formula. m1 into m2 is minus 1. The m1 is b minus 3 by 6 into 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1. So b minus 3 is equal to minus 12 on cross multiplying. B is equal to minus 12 plus 3, that is same as minus 9. Therefore, the value of B is minus 9. This is what our question is. So consider these two lines, they are perpendicular to each other. Consider the condition m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Substitute the values, you will get the value of B as minus 9. Look at the next question. In this question, A and B are any two points on the x-axis as well as the y-axis respectively, and P is the midpoint of this AB. And from the given figure, find the coordinates of A and B. The second one, slope of AB, and the third part is equation of the line AB. Look at the first one, the coordinates of A and B. The coordinates of A, that is equal to, since A is a point on the x-axis, the coordinates of A are x0 and the coordinates of B is 0, y, since B is lying on the y-axis. And P is given as 2 minus 3. Also, P is the midpoint of AB. Then, by using the midpoint formula, we can find the x value as well as the y value. So, as per the midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2 is the x coordinate. Consider A as x1, y1 and B as x2, y2. Therefore, x1 is x plus x2 is B coordinates, that is 0 divided by 2 is equal to the x value, that is 2 here. That this implies x is equal to 4. And in the second case, y1 plus y2 by 2. y1 is 0 plus y2 is y here. Y by 2 is equal to minus 3. This implies y is equal to minus 6. So we got the coordinates of A and B as A is x4, 0 and B is 0, minus 6. This is the coordinates of A and B. Now the next part of the question is to find the slope of AB. To find the slope, we have 2 points, and as per the formula, the slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That's equal to, y2 is minus 6 here, minus 6 minus 0 divided by x2 is 0 minus 4. And that is equal to minus 6 by minus 4, and it's same as 3 by 2. Therefore, the slope m is equal to 3 by 2. The next part of the question is to find the equation of AB. To find the equation of AB, this is the third part of the question. We have the slope and we have the point x1, y1. So by using the type 2 form, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, we can find the equation of AB. The coordinates of A is x1, y1. Consider this. Y minus y1 is 0 is equal to, the slope is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into x minus x1 is 4 here. So 2y is equal to 3x minus 12, or 3x minus 2y is equal to 12. This is the equation of the line AB. Look at the next question. ABCD is a parallelogram where A, XY, B, 5, 8, C, 4, 7 and D, 2, minus 4. Find the coordinates of A and the equation of the diagonal BD. It is given that ABCD is a parallelogram. See, look at the parallelogram ABCD. This is a parallelogram ABCD. It's given that A, XY, B, 5, 8, C, 4, 7 and D is 2, minus 4. The first one, we need to find the coordinates of A, that is XY. And we know one of the properties of a parallelogram, that is the diagonals bisect each other. That means the diagonals will be divided equally. If O is the intersection point, OA is same as OC, BO is same as BD. So first, by using this B as well as D, let's find the midpoint here. After getting the midpoint, we can find the coordinates of A by using the midpoint formula. Considering B and D, find the coordinates of O. Coordinates of O we have to find. Coordinates of O we can find, that is x1 plus x2 by 2, 5 plus 2 by 2 as well as 8 plus minus 4 by 2. These are the coordinates of O. O is equal to 5 plus 2 is 7 by 2 and 8 minus 4 is 4 by 2 is 2. This is the coordinate of O. By using this midpoint, we can find the coordinates of A. Now consider A and C. X plus 4 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. The midpoint O is 7 by 2 and 2. Here the coordinates of A is xy and C is 4, 7. So x1, that is x plus 4 by 2 is the midpoint. X coordinate here, that is 7 by 2. And y plus 7 by 2 is the y coordinate here. And this is equal to, cancel 2 to both the sides. X plus 4 is equal to 7. This implies x is equal to 3. Similarly, when you consider the y coordinate, y plus 7 by 2. Y plus 7 by 2 is equal to 2 here, or y plus 7 is equal to 4. This implies y is equal to minus 3. The value of y is minus 3. That is 4 minus 7 is minus 3. So getting the value of x as 3 and y as minus 3. Therefore, we can say that the coordinates of A coordinates are x is 3 and y is minus 3. That's the first part of the question. Now, in the second part of the question, equation of BD. Equation of BD, the diagonal BD we have to find. For that, first we need to find the slope. Slope M is equal to y2 minus y1. Consider B as x1, y1 and D as x2, y2. y2 is 8 minus minus 4. 8 minus minus 4 is 8 plus 4 by 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. And that's equal to 12 by 3. And that is same as 4. Therefore, the slope is 4. Now we need to find the equation. Equation of the BD. Equation of BD, you can consider the slope and the point. One point x1, y1 as well as the slope is there. So y minus y1 is 8 is equal to m into x minus x1 is 5. So y minus 8 is equal to, here m is 4. Substitute the value there, 4. 4x minus 20. So y is equal to 4x minus 20 plus 8. That is y is equal to 4x minus 12. And this is the equation of the diagonal BD. Now this question is for you. Solve it and let me know the answer. The question is, the equation of the line is 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0. Find the slope of the line and the equation of the line perpendicular to the line passing through 2, 4. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class with more sums on equation of a line. Thank you.